Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see how to solve a classic SQL problem, and same thing I have to do with Power Query. Let's see. So here you can see this is our college table. Student ID, student name and skills are there. So I need to check how many skills are there for each and every student. So for the first row it will come 3. For the last row it will come 0 because there is null. So how to do it? Let's see. So I can write select star comma, then I have to get the null values. So if there is any null I need to get 0. So I can write case when skills is null then 0. Okay. Else, so what I have to do, I have to get the length of each and every row, then I have to subtract it with the same length but without comma. So for that what I have to do, I have to get the length of skills, then I have to subtract it with the same length but without comma. So without comma I have to replace the comma with space. So how to replace it? Replace skills, replace the comma with space. Okay, then I have to wrap it with length function. Okay, so what it will do, suppose the first row the length is 15 and without comma length is 13 because there is 2 comma. Okay, so 15 minus 13 equals to 2. It will give me 2 skills, but what about the another? So to get that I have to do plus 1. Okay, so end as values in rows from college. Okay, so if I run this one, here you can see I got 3 skills for the first one and the 0 skills for the last one. Okay, so I have to do it in Power Query. So let's see. So here you can see this is the same thing. So what I have to do, I have to take a custom column, give the name as values in rows. Okay, so first I have to split each and every row by the delimiter comma. So what I can write, I can write text dot split. Okay, so split function, then in this split function I need the column name skills. Okay, then from which one I have to split, I have to split by comma. I can write comma. Okay, so if I do OK, here you can see I got a list. If I click on list, here you can see for the first row there are 3 values are there. Okay, but I do not want like this. I need 3 as integer value. Okay, count. So for that I have to go there, then I have to write list. From this list what I got already, from that list I need count. Okay, now if I run, I got the thing, but there is one error. Here is for what? Here is for null. So I have to solve the null values. How to do solve? So let's go there again. I have to give a condition. I can write if skills equals to null then 0, else give me this condition. So if I do OK, here you can see I got it. Okay, now I will remove the errors. Okay, So I got the same thing here. So in Power Query I have to do like this, and in SQL I have to do like this. Okay, so if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.